Let me show you my new favorite hotel in New York City. This is the Motto by Hilton, and it opened in 2022 and it has the most spectacular views of Manhattan. In this video, I'll give you a tour around the hotel, show you my room in depth, including the bathroom, and also other amenities that the hotel has to offer, like the bar and restaurant, and also the beautiful outdoor terrace. The Motto by Hilton is in Chelsea, and it's actually only a block from the Flatiron building. It's also just a block to 23rd Street subway station, and it's situated on 24th Street at 6th Avenue. Well, let me take you inside, show you the hotel, and we'll go straight to the room. And we'll take the lift to get there. It is a 42-story building, and that's why many of the rooms have amazing views. I find the elevators to be mostly very fast, but I'll talk more on that later. Let's check out the room, and I was staying on the 31st floor. I had booked a Landmark City King, landmark meaning you're on floor 26 and up. And actually the main reason I booked this hotel, apart from it being new, was I really wanted to see Manhattan from above and see all those buildings and skyscrapers that make New York City unique. Well, the room is small, but most hotel rooms in New York City are. But it's very well laid out, and I have to say it was really comfortable. There's a small seating area there in the corner, and safe space, the vanity with your sink, is in the room itself. We'll take a closer look at the bathroom in a second. It's a clever use of space and does mean that somebody can use the vanity while somebody else is in the bathroom. And it has this fantastic backlit mirror. Directly opposite that is a full-length mirror. It's also a sliding door into the bathroom. Small bathroom, but a decent sized shower. The water pressure is good. I really like the decor in here. I think the white and the blue tiles is just a really good look. Now this is a regular room, but they do have fully accessible rooms with roll-in showers. Toiletries were on hand, so you get body wash, shampoo, as well as conditioner. Now there's no closet in this room, but there are places to hang up clothes, and they do give you a few hangers. There's also a hairdryer. But there is other storage. There's 3 large drawers at the bottom of the bed, 2 of which are empty. You can put clothes in here, and they're actually really deep. The middle drawer has this huge safe, and I had no problems at all getting my 16-inch MacBook laptop in here. There are also 2 nooks on either side of the bed for shoes maybe, or bags. This is my carry-on, so you get an idea of the size, and you could fit a larger bag under the bench seat in the corner of the room. Well, I had 2 great night's sleeps in this room, and the bed was very comfortable and the room felt very cozy. And it was just great lying in bed, looking out the window, enjoying that spectacular view. I live in Las Vegas, but I have to say the skyline, very impressive. If you'd rather get entertained in another way, there's a huge 50-inch smart TV in the wall. The room was very well equipped. On both sides of the bed, there was a regular outlet plus 2 USBs. And next to the bench seat, there was also 2 more USBs and a couple more outlets. There's no coffee maker in the room or a minibar, but there is this fridge, and your daily fee does include 2 bottles of water each day. You just get those from front desk. I was staying in the middle of summer, and if you've been to New York, you know that the heat and humidity can really make things unbearable, but I'm happy to report the air conditioning worked really well. Before we go and check out the rest of the hotel, let's just take one last look at the view from the 31st floor. Now, most rooms in the hotel face south, but there are a few that face north. If you want the south-facing view, like I had, you'll need to book the city view category. So it is a 42-story building, so of course the elevators are incredibly important. There's 4 of them, and they were very fast. And I didn't wait for more than a minute, except one occasion where I waited about 5 minutes. Now, on the 4th floor, you're going to find the fitness center. And down on the ground floor is where the bar and restaurant is, open all day for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and more. And in the mornings, they do have an espresso coffee bar as well. Depending on the weather, you may enjoy sitting outside. The terrace is really beautiful, and actually it was quite comfortable in the mornings. But I preferred to sit inside and enjoy the air conditioning. I had dinner one night, and I really enjoyed it. It was skirt steak with fries, a couple of glasses of wine. It was very good. And they do have all-day room service as well, so you have that as an option. Now, one floor up, they actually have this really great lounge area where you can hang out during the daytime. Maybe you can do some work. It was very, very comfortable, and I really appreciated that they had plenty of outlets as well as USBs everywhere. So did I enjoy my stay? Absolutely. I thought the Motto by Hilton in Chelsea is a great hotel, great location, great views. What do you think? Would you stay here? Have you stayed here? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really helps.
And if you want to see other travel reviews, including hotels and cruise ships, hit that subscribe button. My name's Scott. Thanks for watching.